Hello friends, welcome to my channel Trading In. This is the 10% profit that I made in Nifty, that is with an investment of rupees 2700. I made a 280 rupees profit, that is 10% return on the investment. This is the profit screen and this is the entry and exit point. This is the order book which you are seeing, and the chart I am going to show how I made a entry and the exit. This is the Nifty chart today. Today in Nifty we are having a very narrow CPR. Okay, today the market opened gap up. The first candle took the support near this weekly support. This is the weekly S2, weekly support S2. So when the first candle, it was neither a convincing bullish candle, so I waited for the right opportunity and went short. Means I waited till here. The third candle started reaching the PDH and the R1. So this is the third candle. When the third candle started facing resistance, I bought PE. Whenever you want to buy PE or CE, means you have to go short near the resistance. If you want to go long, then you have to go long near the support. So this acts as a resistance, that is the PDH and the daily resistance. I went short and I booked my profit near the next pivot, that is the weekly support. Okay, that gave me a 10% return of 280 rupees. So from that the market started consolidating and it moved up because the Bank Nifty was having a support of daily CPR. See, whenever the candle touches the CPR, it bounces back. As you can see, even it is also going consolidating bit further, and even Nifty bounce back from that region, that is near the weekly support, and it is going till here, and it may face resistance near this weekly low. This black horizontal line which you are seeing is the weekly low. So weekly low usually acts as a support. In market, what works is the support acts as a resistance and a resistance acts as a support. So this resistance, this is the support. Now it may act as a support. If the market break that, it may go further. If the candle face resistance near this PDL, that is the weekly low, it may fall from that region, or it may consolidate, or it may go sideways from that region. So this is how we have to analyze. So in this video I am going to show how even we can see the SGF Nifty chart. This is the SGF Nifty chart. By seeing the SGF Nifty chart, how we can analyze the market, how we can take the trade in Nifty and Bank Nifty. See, this is the SGF chart today. Yesterday the SGF took the support near this monthly support. This crisscross line which you are seeing is the monthly support. From that region the market starting moving up, means now this acts as a demand zone in SGF Nifty. So from that the market started consolidating. This is the today CPR in SGF Nifty. So the market broke the daily CPR. So even it broke the our market opens at 9:15. So before that the market even broke the weekly support. This this is a green horizontal line which you are seeing is the weekly support. So when our market opened, it faced resistance near this monthly low. So from that it fell. So and by seeing that I went short in Nifty and I booked my profit near the weekly support. So from this you can see the candles took the support near this weekly support. From that it consolidating and it may go till here, that is the weekly low and the daily resistance of SGF Nifty, because now this acts as a supply zone. See, from here the market crash. So see, from here actually the market crash. Now this may acts as a supply zone in Nifty. So it may go till here 16,960 to 16,990. From that it may fall or it may go sideways. If it break, then it may go till the PDH level. But I feel this daily resistance, this weekly low acts as a strong resistance. If that break, the market may be trending. But if the sellers are very aggressive in this region, then the market will fall or it may consolidate bit further. So according to this, our Nifty and Bank Nifty react. So 16,990 means, so the market may go till the 16,960, and from here whenever we have to plan our trade, like keeping a stop loss of below this weekly support, we can go long and we can book profit near this day's high, that is near the PDH and the resistance. If it breaks, we can take the further trade and we can book our trade till the next pivot, because the candles have room to move till here. So this is how we have to analyze the SGF. By seeing the SGF Nifty chart, the SGF Nifty price action, how we can analyze our Indian market, how we can plan our entry and exit point, everything we can plan by seeing all this chart. If you like this small video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, friends. Thank you.